how to move through your scenes very fast in Blender. So let's jump right into the video. What you can do is to press on your keyboard Shift, and let me show you actually this key. I don't know what it's called exactly. Shift and then this key. So let me select Blender and now shift this key, and now it's like you can move through your scenes like you're in a video game with A, C, W, D, and if you press shift you'll move faster. As you can see, it's much faster now. So yeah, A, C, if you see here, I can when I press, okay, now shift, you can move much faster. So yeah, just try this shift and this key that I don't know what it's called. I'm sorry. And yeah, this key and shift, and you'll move through your scene very fast. And you can hold shift to move faster. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.